How not to get scammed while buying flashcards. So here's a couple of great tips for that. The first one, of course, is when you go on a website where you buy it. For example, let's say you go on Amazon, and in this case, the company doing the card is SanDisk. Well, you just have to go on the SanDisk store. It's actually sold by Top Seller Canada, which is a sub-company of SanDisk. Although the ship from Amazon is there, this is only giving you the shipping way. So if you live remote, it might not be Amazon. But the other thing to look up not to get scammed is obviously if you compare for multiple cards, you're gonna have some stats, right? For example, this one is 160 megabytes second for the reading speed and 150 megabytes for write speed. And sometimes like the copycats will just copy the description and they're gonna put exactly the same thing. But we can test that on the computer. So let's try to test that. I'm gonna put that into my card reader and we're gonna just copy some files. And there are two things to look at. The speed. You won't get that speed. You will get very close to it. So you have to take in consideration the card reader, and where it's plugged. So for example, in which USB speed you can have it. So in this case, 250 gigabyte. So I will try to copy 250 gigabyte of stuff. And the result is, yes, it's working. So if it's not working, this means it's a scam. And sometimes you have oddities. For example, this Transcend card is the same capacity, but the speed is way lower. And in some voodoo thing, I don't know why, this one actually costs more compared to the SanDisk, which is so weird. Right now I have a SD card, here is a compact flash card, and yeah, these will work together, and when I take pictures, it's gonna write to both at the same time. So now I have my old cards that are formatted and I can take 1262 pictures. Let's get out of that and let's put the new one. That's the old one, 64 gigabyte, of course, but the speed is the same, which is awesome. Now we're gonna take this one and put it inside. Now let's format that card. And let's check how much pictures I can okay, I'm good to go. I'm good to go. Goodbye, old friend. You will be missed. But I always keep one card just in case the other one can break. We never know. Didn't happen to me, but it did happen to a colleague, and it was actually a card reader that was scrapping all the flashcards. Hopefully you like this video, guys. Thumbs up and subscribe, and see you in the next video. There's a hint here of the next video.